To use video making kit. This is a video making kit. I ordered for it. It just came, so I want to unbox the video making kit, and I want to show you guys how to install it also. It's affordable. You can use it for selfie, live streaming. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. Yes, it is me. All this while you have not been seeing my face, so you have the opportunity to see my face today. I just ordered for video making kit. It is very good. AY49, that is the code for what I ordered for, and I've received it. So this is what I'm using, and I'm really enjoying it. So I wish everybody to get it. It's not very expensive, so try and have it. So I'll be making videos 3 times in a week. I'll be publishing 3 times in a week. So please subscribe to my channel so that anyone I'm going to post, you'll be the first to know. And I'm into how to make money online, side hustles online, how to make money from different vehicles, affiliate programs. So please just key into it. If you can watch the video, it's very easy for you to know how to make money online. And when you make money, even though you are sleeping, you can still make your money, because when somebody clicks your link, the person will buy. If the person is buying, you get so much money. As I said, even though you are sleeping, you still make your money. So I'm not into only catering, I'm into technology also. So when I post a video, be the first to know. Just watch it. It will help you. Your salary might not be enough. It might not be enough for you to take care of all the needs you might want. So you need an extra income, which is very important. So thank you so much. Watch my video, subscribe to it. I need so many people to subscribe to my video, like my video, so that YouTube can help me share it. I use it in making video. This is the pack of it. I unbox it. This is a tripod stand. That is a tripod stand. It comes with the light here. This is the light. It comes with microphone, phone holder, a cord. You connect the microphone to your phone. Then it comes with remote. This remote controls the camera and it controls your phone. So I want to fix it. Just watch how I'm fixing it carefully. You can see the hole here. See another hole here. So I'll hold this place tight. Then I'll fix it this way. And make sure it's tight. So I finished fixing this one, the camera or the phone holder. The next thing I'm going to fix is the light. As you can see, then I'll screw it tight. So the next thing I'm going to fix is the microphone. Just watch it carefully. It's very easy if you know how to fix it, but it's very difficult if you don't know how to fix it. I've on the lights. If you want it more brighter, more shiny, increase it. If you want it more than this, you can see increase it. That's the highest. So now I want to insert my phone now. I've inserted my phone. Then I want to connect the cord from the phone to the microphone. So it's being connected now. I just use this phone for illustration. So this is the remote, which I'm going to on it. So this is how to set it up. It's very easy. You can use it for live stream, as I said, for selfie. You can move it around anywhere you want to go. So as I said, I love it. I wanted it, that's why I ordered for it, and I've gotten it. I'm so happy. So this is Mobile Foodies. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the button, make sure that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be sharing new videos 3 times in a week, so please subscribe. Don't just wait, and don't just watch and go, watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.